So this week's video is a little bit different from what I usually upload on this YouTube channel, and I thought I wanted to include some of my normal stuff, things that are interesting to me and not always the professional side of things. And I thought, you know, having this little camcorder really creates this nostalgic vibe, feels a little bit more natural to use it. So I really hope you don't mind this type of content and you enjoyed the video that I put together using my good old Sony camcorder. Okay, we are in the Pfannenstiel and we found a nice species. It's called the Weinberg Schnecke. Can you please show the Weinberg Schnecke?
Pointed. There is a whisper calling my name. In every shadow, playing a game of hide and seek with my heartbeat. I don't know what to do. The less I have, the more I keep falling after you. I'm gonna find your heart, no matter where you are. Cut through the brambles and the weeds. Climb up the wildest trees.
Sie hast gesehen.
You are the secret I wanna learn. And there are the bridges.
We're checking if this one actually records audio, but as you can see right here, if I talk, there are some orange bars detecting my voice, you know? But I'm not sure if this one is actually detecting the voice, the camera itself, so we're gonna find out. But if this works out, I think that's quite nice because I can actually go out and, you know, record myself, place it somewhere. For example, let's place it, this little mic right here, in combination with the camcorder, because if I move the mic somewhere out there, the voice is getting probably less hearable. We can say that this is working. I came to a point again where I've been thinking about what I should upload on this YouTube channel. The initial idea was to document my filmmaking journey, becoming a freelance creative, sharing behind the scenes of my work, the gear I use, and building a creative business alongside my main job as a physiotherapist. There's also another side of my life that means a lot to me too. Skateboarding, spending time with my girlfriend, visiting vintage shops, finding good food, random explorations, just everyday moments and experiences. And honestly, I was overthinking whether all of that fits in this channel or not. I even thought about starting another YouTube channel just for those things. So for now, I'm thinking just to post everything here and see where it takes me, because at the end of the day, it's about just having fun actually and not overthinking too much. And I'm pretty sure there's a lot of people out there who are in the same probably shoes, in the same situation as me, and trying to bring out content and trying to make it really perfect, but at the end of the day, it's not going to be perfect. So I hope you enjoy the journey, and I wish you peace and love.